Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, I'm a plan today. I always say that the bad to the work right now is me Hanifa out to meeting here, visiting here, coming here, teach us about English. That is the most important thing nowadays. This guy gonna teach us about English. From this to the end of the day, and not only people, but also animals can speak English, including mongoose can speak English. So that's because I never get bored to say again and again, because a lot of people want to learn English, get here, but no one going here, no one is in here, no one came in here. Don't worry about that, I don't care about that. Alright, today I'm going to discuss about, explain about, is it important wearing a mask or not? Alright, since hit by coronavirus 2019, a lot of people worldwide, entire world, people, wearing masks when they go somewhere, whether with their family, going somewhere like, weekend, everywhere, enjoy, hang out, they wearing a mask. And now, wherever I go, and I always bring a mask, because for me, I just realized that, because very important wearing mask, very important for me. Even though after 4 hours wearing mask, we have to watch that, yeah, indeed, because doctor normally work right, remind our people nowadays, remind warn people worldwide, don't have 4 hours wearing a mask, because it can make it dangerous for your heart attack, or not good for your throat, and then your lung, and then your nose is not good for your your breath. So the important thing, wherever I go, I bringing a 4 mask or 5 masks, to give for the people who want to need it, So I just give it a charity that, because I do love that, I give charity like that. Alright, that's my time. The point is, so I warn you one more time, wherever you go, you have to wearing a mask, that can cover your, from the heart attack, or coronavirus is important, even though a lot of people like United States, almost 400 million people, 1,000 people was die in United States nowadays, so in Indonesia, about almost 100,000 people was die nowadays just by coronavirus. So the point is, wearing mask very important. Alright, that's my time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right, any question? No more question, right? Alright. It's okay.